Hey aspirants, so welcome to our channel. Today we try to discuss the data types in Python. Before discussing data types, so now let us see what is an identifier. An identifier is the name, it is a variable name, a functions or methods name or a class name, and it has to follow these are the criteria. Choose a meaningful identifier name in a Python and that avoids using the keywords. We try to see the keywords in a later point of any time and ensure the identifier does not start with the digit 0 to 9, but it can have a 0 to 9 in the identifier name, and it excludes the special character except the underscore. This is the underscore, not the hyphen, it is underscore if necessary. So this is the identifier. So today we try to see the variables and data types. So there majorly it is having the 5 data types. Okay, it is having the 5 data types. The first one will be the we know integer, the second one will be the float, and third one will be the boolean, and fourth one will be the string, and the last one will be the complex. So these are the basic data types in the Python. So this is the basic data types in the Python. So you can see it. Now what is an integer? All the whole natural numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity, but without the digits, without the dots, we can say it as an integers. So now what are the integers? A typical example will be the roll number, okay, account number, Aadhaar number, okay, number of pens, number of books. So these are the some of the examples will comes under the integer data types. Okay, so now what I am doing is I am making as an rule number will be the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next account number I am making as a 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So Aadhaar making 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 and 0. Number of pens 10. Number of books is nothing but the 5. So like this we can define. This is the integer. So the second one. So what is a float? It will having the dot like a temperature, okay, weight, height. So apart from this one, did you remember anything which will containing the dot? So height, weight, temperature. Now let us define. So temperature 45.56. Second one weight is nothing but 70.2 kg, and height is nothing but 170.2 centimeters. So these are the float because it is having the values after the digit. Now let us see the boolean. A boolean, it is having only 2 categories like yes or no, selected, pass, fail. Okay, second one what you can say, what you can say, arrived, not what we can say listed or not. So these are the things it will come. If we say selected in an interview, selected in this one, it will contain in the true. Pass or fail, we can say passed, so true. Arrived or not, yes, it is a true, arrived. And the company is listed in the public, it is a true. So it is having only true or false, or listed not, then it is false. So only two category it is containing, either true or false. So this is the a boolean. Now let us go to the string. All the message we text to the friend, and all the things we try to write in a chart in a communicative language, that are all nothing but the text. So text is called how are you. Next, where are you? Why are you? So all the human and communication text, so we can write. So this is the message one, I am making as an a text one. This is the text 2 or message 2. This is the text 3 or message 3. So like this, but this string you need to put it either single quotes or double quotes. So everything you want to put it into the string or single quotes or double quotes. So this is the string, and the last one will be the complex. A complex a plus bj will be the format. The first one will be the real, a will be the real, plus imaginary into j. The imaginary is represented with a j. So this is the thing they are saying in the complex. So now how you can say, now I am defining the c variable, I am real value I am taking a 1 plus 2j. Okay, so like this. Or if you put it as an in a j2, okay, now let us run it. See, it is error. So it is imaginary value followed by j. So like this. So whether these things are correct or not, execute it and execute it and execute it and execute it and execute it. If you forget to write the double quotes here, see the error, syntax error, unterminated string literal. So which is the line? Here it is telling in this one, in this cell, this is the line number 1. So go here and fix it. Okay, either you can, I am use the double quote, can I use single quotes? So no, double quotes means starts and end with double quotes only. So this is the thing. But how we know this is the integer and this is the float and this is the boolean and this is the string and this is the complex? So it's nothing but go here and give it type. Type is the function or inbuilt keyword which will tell the data types, rule number, and execute it. So this is the integer, and all the rest of the things you can execute it. And here I am going and inserting the below and type temp float, and here similarly I am doing here, and you can see. So type is a function which will try to take the variable name and it will give its data type, and here I am doing type text 1. You can use the other variables, but a simplicity easy, I have selected the one, the rest of the things you can select it. So now let us see, this is the last one. So this is the a complex. So these are the basic data types which are available in the Python. So this is the basic data types. So you can say, if you ask basic data types, integer, float, boolean, string and complex. So whatever the we have seen the integer, so we have seen it is called a decimal. So if you want to represent a binary values, you can use value in binary 0b. So 0b, small b or capital B, you can write like this. And if you want to represent the value in octa, so 0 O or 0 capital O, small o, you can select. If I am using the 9, okay, so this will be the thing. And value in hexa, okay, so this 0x, see it is either it is a small x or capital X, either it is small o or capital O, so either it is small b or capital B. So this is the value you can give. I have it binary value. How do I need to tell? So like this you can put 0b, 0o, 0x. So like, can I let us run this one? So it is not. Now I want, if I print this value, print value in bin, so it is telling 15. But if I want to print in a binary format, use bin function. So whatever the value it is you are giving, so it will try to convert and print into the binary. By default it will try to print in a decimal format, and if you want to say, it will try to print into the thing. Now this one, value in octa. So these are the values it will get. Bin, oct and hex, these are the function convert the given value into the respective system. It's a binary, octa, hexa. So this is the thing. So now hope you understood today's session, which is nothing but the basic data types: integer, floats, boolean, string and complex. And the variable name is nothing but the identifier. It's a function name, method's name or class name is identifier name. The identifier name in the Python should be meaningful, and it should avoid the using the keyword, and ensure it does not start with the 0 to 9, but it can have in between 0 to 9, and exclude the special characters and accept the underscore. Thank you very much. We try to meet in the next session. Thank you.